Comparison between KMM, Flutter and React Native. When we look at Flutter, in Flutter, a canvas from native iOS and Android library is used. Native components of Android and iOS are drawn on a canvas. So Flutter also uses that canvas to draw the UI components of Flutter. Means UI in Flutter is completely different from native UI components. Flutter draws UI components on canvas by using material design specifications. The rest of the business logic code is written in Dart. It means Flutter has common UI plus common business logics. In case of React Native, every component of React Native is mapped to a native component of Android and iOS. And rest of the business logic is written in JavaScript in React Native. In KMM, we have a shared module which is having a common code for business logic. This code may or may not have a OS specific code. This shared module will be converted into Android library, R file, or a framework for iOS. UI is completely native in KMM. Android code uses library module and native UI to make the Android app, and iOS code uses framework generated from shared module and native UI to develop iOS app. If we compare on UI, Flutter has a common UI for both Android and iOS. Components of React Natives are mapped to native component of respective platform, means native look and feel. KMM UI is coded separately for Android and iOS using native code, means in KMM pure native UI. If we compare on the basis of business logic, all of them, Flutter, React Native and KMM, has a common business logic. Just they are written in different language. In Flutter it is written in Dart. In React Native it is written in JavaScript. In KMM it is written in Kotlin. Layered architecture. Flutter and React Native, clear separation in UI and business logic is to be implemented. And KMM, separation of UI and business logic layer is by default. It means when we write application in Flutter and React Native, we have to think about separation of business logic layer and UI layer. But if we follow the specifications of KMM, the UI layer and business logic layer are separated automatically. Interoperability, Kotlin can be interop with Java and other languages, but in case of Flutter, we have to stick with our Dart only, and in case of React Native, we have to stick with JavaScript. Easy to go native. The main feature of KMM is we can write native code at any level of coding of any layer of architecture. Integration with existing project, KMM has a power to get integrated with any existing project, but in case of Flutter or React Native, we have to keep going with their own infrastructures.